Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a complete website using Claude Code AI. So I'm going to show you all the process step by step. So at first we will show you how you can install Claude AI in your PC. Really simple. So we have actually two different way to install it. Either you can go with desktop version. Here I can see Claude AI. Now I can either go for Claude desktop, let's say desktop app. Okay. Now here you can see download Claude. So we can click here. Then it will actually took us to the download page. From here we can download Claude AI. You just have to actually install it, and then you can access the chat option. And from here you have to actually generate the code, and then you have to download the code. But this is pathetic for me. I will actually go with either anti-gravity, and here I can use extension, Claude extension, or maybe I can go with Claude Code CLI, command line interface. So if you want to go with command line interface, you have to actually download this through a package installer called npm. For this you need to have Node.js download in your PC. Really simple. Just go to the browser and go for the Node.js. Then you can actually go to the download page, and from here you can download the latest version. Then install it. That's it. Very simple. And then you can actually download Claude Code CLI, Claude Code command line interface, through command prompt, okay, or terminal. Here you just have to say npm, then install, okay, install, then -g to install it globally, so that you can access this Claude Code CLI command line interface from anywhere in your PC. Very simple. Then you have to actually say here at, okay, Anthropic. We will actually install it through Anthropic, Anthropic -ai / then Claude, CLAUDE, Claude -code. Now if you hit enter, then it will install it. Very simple, as I mentioned. And another way to install Claude Code CLI, or install Claude Code, basically you have to actually install anti-gravity at first, or maybe you can use VS Code also, but I'll suggest you to go with anti-gravity. So go to the browser and go for the Google anti-gravity, okay, anti-gravity Google. If you type it and search it, then you will find Google anti-gravity. Go for the download by clicking here download. Now from here you can select according to your operating system. If you're from macOS, you can select this one, and then if you're from Windows, then select this one. So I'm assuming that you can do this. Now let's go for the application section. You just have to go for the anti-gravity. So open it, and here in the extension section you can see we have extension section. You can actually search it, okay, Claude Code for VS Code. So you just have to install it. I already installed it here, you can see. And when you will install it, under this extension section, you will find here Claude Code for VS Code, and here you can see we have chat option. So through this chat option, you can actually generate the full website. Either you can use this, or maybe you can go for the Claude Code CLI. And the next process is same for both chat option and then CLI. Okay, what you have to do, you have to actually generate a prompt. To generate a prompt, you can go to the browser and go for the ChatGPT, or maybe you can go for Gemini. So go for the ChatGPT, or maybe go for the Gemini. Then here you have to actually give all the information about your project and then ask for a prompt. So I am going to actually give here information about a portfolio site. Let's say I want to add a portfolio site. So I'll say I want, but I'm okay with it. So I'm going to actually ask for a prompt. Here you can see this is the prompt, okay. So we have to actually copy this. Now the thing is, you can actually mention here which programming language actually you want to use. If you want to use PHP, you have to mention here. So I'll say that use PHP and MySQL and regenerate it. Regenerate this prompt. This is our prompt, right? We can actually copy this from here. So let's copy this prompt and go back to the either here you can paste it, okay, or maybe you can go for the command line, Claude Code command. I already installed it. What you have to do, you just have to actually say here Claude, okay, and then Claude will be open here. You just have to say yes, trust this. Then here you can actually write, paste the prompt, okay. If you paste the prompt here, you can see prompt pasted. Now you just have to hit enter. Then it will actually create the project. I'm not going to actually use here CLI. I'm going to show you from the extension. So let's just delete this terminal. I mean, remove this. Okay. From here, we are going to uh, uh, go with it. But before that, I'm going to actually remove this and I'm going to open a specific folder. Okay. So let's go for the file explorer. Here we are going to open folder. Click here. Then we will actually go for the XAMPP. As it is a PHP project, we need a server, right? So XAMPP will provide us two server. One is for the PHP, another one is for the database, and that is MySQL. Okay. So we are going to go for the XAMPP folder. So if you don't know how to install XAMPP, we have a bunch of different videos on it. If you want to actually know the installation process, what you have to do, you just have to actually go for the XAMPP, and here you go, apachefriends.org. Now click here download. It will actually directly took you to the download page. Select the operating system and go with the latest version. Okay, you just have to install it. If you install it in C drive, let's say you are from Windows, then in the C drive you will find a folder called XAMPP. Just go to that folder and you just have to go inside the folder XAMPP. Okay, and here in the htdocs you have to create the folder. So let's create the folder and it will be, let's say, portfolio-ai. This is our project, and here we are going to open anti-gravity also. From anti-gravity we are going to actually let's open Finder. Here we are going to just drag and drop it here. Okay, here you go. Now here we are going to add our chat. We have actually want to actually add here new session. Okay, and here you can see done. Now we are going to paste the prompt, but before executing this prompt we have to actually start the server, as it is a PHP project, right? So we have to actually start XAMPP server. And if you want to get XAMPP, I mean, if you want to start XAMPP server, you have to actually go to the XAMPP control panel. So in Windows you just have to press Windows key and then you have to type XAMPP control panel, then you can actually go there, and then you have to actually start the server. In macOS you have to run this. Okay, manager -osx, give the password of your Mac, login password. Okay, and then you will get XAMPP control panel. Here we go. Then you can click here manage services. From here we are going to start these two server, Apache, then MySQL. Here you can see running. Our work is done. Now we are going to go back to the here in the anti-gravity. We are going to execute it. That's it. We don't have to do here anything. It will complete the whole project for us. It will create the whole website, and I will show you the project output also. But for now I'm going to fast forward the video. So guys, you can see it complete and ready, right? Portfolio AI. Now we are going to access it. So here you can see config db credential. Okay, so I will actually ask for adding the database, and what you can do is you can actually go to the folder where you have actually created the project, in this case application, and then XAMPP. We have to go inside the XAMPP, then htdocs, right? Then we have here portfolio AI. Here we have database folder. Here you can see. So we can either create the database and then add this .sql, or maybe we can actually ask this AI to actually add it automatically. Can you add what is the file name? Schema.sql, right? Schema.sql file automatically for me. And yes, it can. So we are going to run this. Done. Now let's go in this site. Okay, now let's access this project. So let's go to the Safari. From here we are going to paste it. Wow, I look at this website. We have a nice portfolio design here. You can see. Wow, with a little animation, cursor animation here you can see. Wow, pointer, right? Pointer animation. Really awesome website here you can see. Now you can go for the skill section, service section, portfolio section, all the things. So this is really cool website, and I have shown you how you can actually do this using Claude AI. And that's it. So I hope this video helps you a lot. If so, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.